Meaning of cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis.
Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disorder that affects the respiratory, digestive, and reproductive systems. It causes the production of abnormally thick mucus in the lungs and other organs, leading to frequent infections, inflammation, and damage. The disease can also impair the function of the pancreas, preventing it from producing enough enzymes to digest food. Cystic fibrosis is a progressive and life-threatening condition, with no cure currently available. Treatment options focus on managing symptoms, preventing complications, and improving quality of life.